Imagine a vehicle so advanced, so elegant, it blurs the line between a car and a private jet. Welcome to the 2026 Maybach Maytos, a vision of ultra-luxury redefined. This is the future of automotive prestige. The Maybach Maytos is sculpted for royalty. With fluid, yacht-like body lines, a diamond gloss chrome finish, and a presence that demands reverence, this is more than just a car, it's a rolling statement of status. At the front, a vertical illuminated grille nods to the brand's heritage, while ultra-slim crystalline headlights add a touch of sci-fi minimalism. And yes, those are real 24-inch diamond-cut wheels, quietly rotating pieces of art. Unlike most luxury cars, the Maytos doesn't compromise power for silence. Underneath its serene skin lies a quad-motor all-electric drivetrain producing over 900 horsepower and near-instant torque delivery. It glides from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds, but you'd hardly notice. With active noise cancellation, air suspension with AI terrain adaptation, and glide mode for chauffeur-level smoothness, this Maybach whispers even at 150 miles per hour. Inside the Maytos, time stops. Welcome to a cabin that fuses first-class aviation with digital serenity. Rear passengers enjoy fully reclining lounge seats, massage functions, a built-in fridge, and even a scent diffusion system curated by perfumers. A full-width OLED Sky Dash stretches across the front, while each seat includes a personal AI assistant. Mood lighting, biometric climate control, and retractable privacy screens turn every drive into a private retreat. The Maytos isn't just luxurious, it's intelligent. Powered by Mercedes-Benz's latest DriveLux AI, the vehicle offers full Level 4 autonomous driving. Whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping, the Maytos ensures effortless mobility. With seamless integration to your calendar, smart home, and even wardrobe preferences, the Maytos becomes your digital butler on wheels. Maybach plans to release the Maytos in extremely limited numbers, with each unit custom crafted to the owner's lifestyle. Paint can be matched to your yacht, your watch, or even your family crest. Price? If you have to ask. The Maytos isn't built to impress the world, it's built to impress the 0.001%. Is the Maytos the pinnacle of automotive luxury? Or just the beginning of a new chapter? Let us know what you think in the comments. Subscribe to EngineBayReview for more visionary concept cars, luxury engineering, and the future of elite mobility.